The High Court in Pretoria has reserved judgment in an urgent application brought by Pilgrims Rest business operators, and a 35-year-old man has been sentenced to 25 years imprisonment for raping and murdering a 5-year-old girl in Limpopo. Ambusisiwa Khadeb with the latest news update. The High Court in Pretoria has reserved judgment in an urgent application brought by Pilgrims Rest business operators. They want to prevent the Mpumalanga government from evicting them from the historic mining village. The application also seeks to prevent new tenants from taking occupation at the beginning of next month. The provincial government informed at least 17 tenants that their leases would not be renewed. Lawyer for the business operators, Peter Steenkamp.
Well, it seems that there's lease agreements that were signed and subsequently backdated, and it was conceded by the respondents in today's case that during argument that those lease agreements is actually still a force. In that circumstances they've withdrawn the eviction in respect of the eighth applicant. Those are the sort of things that leads to doubting the system and doubting the tenders as granted.
ANC Secretary-General Gwede Mantashe has denied that poor performance at municipal level is a result of the ruling party's cadre deployment. He, however, added that things were falling apart at this sphere of government because the wrong people were being appointed. A recent Auditor General's report has revealed that only 5% of the country's 283 municipalities received clean audits. Critics and opposition parties have blamed this on the ANC's cadre deployment. Mantashe disagrees.
Cadre deployment and wrong deployment is not the same. If we're deploying a person, it should not be either competence or loyalty. It should be a combination of loyalty and competence. That's why we say if people are deployed to a position, they must meet the requirements of that position. They must do well in the selection process. That is our approach. Therefore, we don't think the issue is cadre deployment. It's appointing wrong people, even if you didn't call it cadre deployment. If you appoint wrong people, you will not have the results. But the blackmail of thinking that cadreship is a sin is something that I think should not be entertained.
The Gauteng Health Department has denied claims that former police chief Jackie Selebi received preferential treatment over other patients needing kidney dialysis. Health spokesperson Simon Zwane says the decision to provide treatment is taken by doctors based on medical grounds. It has been reported that Selebi received treatment at a Pretoria public hospital while a terminally ill woman was turned away. Selebi is allegedly being treated at Steve Biko Academic Hospital in Pretoria, while 82 patients are on the dialysis waiting list. The corruption-convicted Selebi was granted medical parole on Friday. And lastly, the Tzaneen Circuit High Court in Limpopo has sentenced a 35-year-old man to 25 years imprisonment for raping and murdering a 5-year-old girl. Liv Sikomane of Parare village was arrested in October 2010 after the mutilated body of the girl was found. Provincial Police Commissioner Simon Mpembe has expressed appreciation to police for the arrest and conviction. Catch the latest news anytime here on Newsbreak Option 1.